Okay, here we go. I've got the Vever sump pump backup system working, and she just drew, was that almost 1,000 watts? That can't be right. Regardless, it works. This is the Vever or Vever 2500 watt inverter charger hooked up to a lithium iron phosphate Bluetooth enabled battery, 100 amp hour, and together they will run a 300 watt sump pump for 20 seconds every 3 minutes for about 36 hours according to my calculations. Just threw this little setup together really quick so it would save space. Gonna run some trials here for a few days.